Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new code items that are on Dress to Impress. So I already put in all of the code items. It's this doll one, this like outfit combo, and these boots. And I will put all the codes in the description box down below, so you can just copy and paste it. So the first one is we have this cute doll. Then we have this outfit. I think I just need to take off mine real quick. Okay, let's not remove anything else other than, there we go. So first we have the doll, obviously, and then we have this like Kuromi set, which is so adorable. I do still miss the Madaka set though. Like, I loved the like top, like the kind of like corset top. Then we have these boots with a lot of toggles. You have the rhinestone, the glitter one, the leather, the matte, and there's one that supports patterns, and you can even enable the long one as well for this. Which one is this one? The glitter one? Kind of like the rhinestones one a little bit better. But that's beside the point. And those are the three codes, and the items that have been removed are the halo has been removed, as you can see. So that's the first thing. This necklace also got removed. This one got reworked, as you can see. Oh, you can't see it, never mind. It got a lot chunkier, that necklace. So that's been removed, and then the glasses also have been removed. Like 3 of the glasses have been removed. The nerdy glasses, the square nerdy glasses, as well as the like black like glasses. It looks kind of similar to this one, but more square. They also removed the pink platform sandals as well as the blue platform sandals. They said they were removing only 5 items, but they removed like a lot. They removed the granny dress as well as this set here. No more earmuffs and no more like fur jacket. They should have just removed this, not gonna lie. Like, to be honest, they should have just removed that. Then in VIP, I think they removed one top. I actually don't remember which one, because I don't really use it. Some earrings, and they removed the bow too. They also removed kind of like the shirt, but wait, we can't put that on the shirt, so like it's fine. Yeah, I think they only removed the bow, like 3 items I guess from VIP, but that's besides the point. That is it for this video. I will again put the codes in the description box down below. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Okay. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.